Most Blender artists spend hours building a great scene, only to lose its impact with a weak camera angle. In Blender Essentials Camera Basics, we're going to fix that. This practical course will teach you how to take full control of Blender's camera system, from creating, positioning, organizing, and switching between multiple cameras. You will learn how the focal length and camera distance work together, how they affect perspective, distortion, depth, scale, and even emotional feeling of a shot. We will compare wide-angle close-ups with more controlled long-lens views, so you can see exactly why two similarly framed images can feel completely different. We will also explore composition guides such as rule of thirds, diagonals column ratio, triangle guides, center framing, and safe areas for widescreen, square, and vertical content. To make the course practical, you will work inside a fully built Victorian style environment featuring architecture, foliage, street props, lighting, and posed mannequin characters. The environment was adapted from our Blender Ultimate Environment Artist Guide, with compositions, remodeled and selected buildings repurposed specifically for camera practice. This gives you real scenarios for creating environmental shots, architectural views, close-ups, storytelling compositions, and depth of field renders. Finally, we will cover the problems that often slow artists down, including clipping, missing objects, incorrect active cameras, broken depth of field, blank renders, GPU settings, noising, render regions, and exposure. So whether you create environments, portfolio artwork, thumbnails, animations, or cinematic renders, this course will give you the technical camera foundation knowledge needed to present your work with far more confidence.